Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and take down the Sibley 300 tent, step by step. Let's get started. The Sibley 300 comes in a carry bag with an A-frame, tripod frame, spare parts, and pegs. Note, use the small pegs for the ground sheet and the large ones for the guy lines. Unroll the ground sheet. The straight edge shows where the door should go. The fabric and ground sheet are already zipped together, and the guy lines are pre-attached. That saves time. Use the small pegs to secure the ground sheet. Start at the door and work your way around. Keep it tight. Click together the three legs of the tripod frame. This will go in the center of the tent. Bring the frame inside. Push the crown against the top of the tent and attach the legs. Tip: use the red loops on the fabric as markers. It's easier with two people, but you can do it solo. Unfold the A-frame, remove the rain cap and bring the frame in through the door. Insert the ends into the ground sheet sockets and tie them securely. Put the rain cap back on top. Zip the tent closed to keep tension even. Start with the guy line at the door and lightly tension it. Not too tight. This leaves room to adjust the rest evenly. Then attach the other guy lines around the tent. Each line should follow a seam for proper alignment. Use at least 2/3 of the line length for good tension. Use the sliders to fine-tune the tension. This helps water run off the tent properly. The tent is pitched. The Sibley has 360 degrees mesh for full ventilation and insect protection. The doors are also fully mesh. Time to pack up. Loosen all guy lines and remove the pegs around the tent. Take off the rain cap from the A-frame, untie the frame, push it slightly up, and release it from the ground sheet. Fold it down. Detach the tripod frame. Unclip the legs from the crown and push the crown up to release tension. Take everything outside. Remove the pegs from the ground sheet. Fold the tent in half, lining up the seam with the door. Place the carry bag on the fabric to check the width. Roll tightly toward the bag. Your Sibley 300 is packed up and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.